are we going to eat?
Ending, chicken noodle soup.
LOL! Chicken noodle soup.
Chicken
Ano
noodle
yun? Nagsama ang dalawa. Indecisive girlies. Jet, we need you!
Pesto. Pesto.
Ang init niya pa, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. 10 out of 10.
Ay, lasa yung chicken niya. Parang ano? Roasted. I feel so healthy. I can taste the herbs. I'm trying. Pero nag-relapse ako the past few
So
days.
funny. Someone na super sweet tooth.
Devoured. Slow eating girl.
I wanna buy a digicam.
See.
Dugo eh. Para akong nag-ano ng ketchup. Gusto ko'y parang kinagat ang aking lips.
Vampire.
Yeah. Done!
Done! Done!
Lol, ito na ang masakit. Lol! Gusto daw.
Drawing siya. Tignan mo, hindi nagdodrawing. My forehead is out.
Oh, erratic. Signal!
Same, naka 5G sa akin pero ang bagal.
Oh, I have a picture of the door. And ayaw mag-focus.
Ay!
That's good.
For you and Jean. Let's try to read it. 이빈 펑 옐펑은 I can't read Korean handwriting yet. Moving on, I got Songun for the postcard too. Yay! And a Nikki! And a Songun! They're literally my bias. This is the first time this happened to me. Ah, okay, I get it. Oh, this is one of those member albums. This is Songun's. Then I need Nikki's. UST tour.
May pagpapasok ako, galing ako dun. Kapit sa gate doon. Pupunta ako doon.
Ano yan?
Eh, doon nag-gym sila, Trevor. Pero nga, nag-workout siya lang sa second floor. Doon ko, yun yung nagpa-picture kami.
Ghost, eh. Iba din school spirit ng mga tiga UST.
Guys, my day nyo na. Pwede na yan.
Ba't parang nag-iba yung UST? Not last time na back in my day. D12 Cassandra.
Baka na yan. Hindi makasubo ng maayos ng tao sa doon. Wow, kasi...
Asan na yung ano mo? Asan na?
Naputol siya, oh. Iniikot ko lang eh. Kaya, ay, nangaagaw.
Oh, wow, break.
Walang photo card.
Wala.
Oo.
Lol, there's none. That's Sunghoon. No, this is Jay, this is Songun. This is storybook, bro. It's in Korean. 병은 후슈가 트위었다. Period. Crocs. Yay. What if isa for the vibes? Get one for the vibes.
Yung hippers,
550.
ano yung different?
Mas mahal yung hippers. XOXO Gossip Girl. Naka-enlighten. Naka...
Kaya mo na.
Tignan mo, di ko alam sasabihin ko.
Tara ba?
Pabango?
Yeah.
Ang cute kasi eh. Let's go.
Dito ko pala galing.
Play. Okay, tara.
Thank you.
Ito. I'll go. Choose.
Yay! Sure na?
Cute.
Wait, alas. Tagal mo naman. Go, Ella. Go, Ella.
Parang NPC.
Nasaan tayo, Ella?
We're at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay.
Bakit tayo dito?
Interview.
So, bakit tayo nandito?
Because we were bored. Bored in the house and we was bored. Bored in the house and we was bored. And we haven't been here before.
Ay, galing ah. Ayun, natamaan yung taste test.
Taste test.
Oh! Yung masarap.
Mas malasa yung bread. Masarap yung bread. Pero sana mas malasa yung filling.
I like
Period.
it.
Minso!
Puro pagkain pala gagawin natin.
We also wanted to go here but we don't have enough time. We have a bus to catch in a few hours. Hopefully next time.
Judging tayo.
네, 안녕하세요. I'm here at Ayala Malls. A puppy. Ito ang UP town ng ano.
Wait. Bilib. Para sarili. Uwi na tayo.
Look at the spoon.
More space ka po.
Thank you. Wow! Yung ice cream na laglag! Play.
Nakuha na yung buo. Tingnan mo. Hindi. Nasa likod mo tang. Compared sa?
Kaya ko rin nabili siya.
Ito?
Sarap to. Good, right? I prefer this one more than the strawberry. Tang, tang, hulu, hulu. Tang, tang, hulu, lulu, lulu. Alam niyo yung trend na yan?